Hey everyone, it is Gabe from Frame, and I want to talk about some really cool new updates. So first off, check out this gorgeous new environment. It's called Tropicana for now, and it's a really big, brilliant space. You'll notice different rooms here that are really cool, and then also some really good workspaces as well, all in this really neat ambiance. And for graphics nerds out there, this is actually a day-night cycle that's reflected in the light map. So you see sort of day and night progress. And we've just sort of, this is an early sort of prototype of this that's going to evolve over time. Now, this is a space where, of course, you can meet with your team and other people, but this is actually an environment where AI agents will be living and working autonomously and with you. And there's a lot to unpack in that, and I'm going to unpack it more in future videos. For now, I'm focusing on some really cool new features. Okay, so first off, I want to talk about meeting transcripts. So we launched meeting transcripts a little while ago, but now we've made them more versatile. Basically, if you're having a meeting in a voice zone like this one here, and other people are having another meeting, say over here, they can each transcribe their meeting individually, even if they're happening at the same time in the same frame. Well, this is really cool. Before, it sort of didn't respect voice zones, so if you did a transcription in a frame, it would be transcribing everything everyone was saying, even if there were separate meetings happening in separate voice zones. We've also spruced up the meeting transcription, just the meeting reports interface. So if you go to the transcript, you'll see just the interface looks a little bit different. And you can see action items, you can see the summary. We're also tagging the transcripts with tags that we extract, and soon you'll be able to search, filter by tag or filter by participant. So this is actually very cool for the businesses out there who are having their teams meet in frame. And the more meetings you transcribe, basically, the more helpful this repository of transcripts becomes. Okay, now on the topic of AI, we have another really neat feature, which is you can now generate video with AI. So I'm going to say celebratory video with balloons and cake. You can also upload an image if you want to derive a video from an image, and you can change its aspect ratio. And then I'm going to go ahead and click generate. Now, it can take some time, and it's fairly limited at this stage. It'll only generate like 5-second videos, but you get a taste at what's coming. And generally speaking, we're going to be equipping you and AI agents with a really wide array of creative tools, so that as you or they accomplish goals, they really have a lot to work with. A team of agents working on a marketing campaign will be able to make text, image, 3D models, a whole other frame entirely dedicated to what the campaign is about. So lots of interesting possibilities here, and we just keep kind of adding to that toolkit. While that's loading, just a convenient feature for those that are editing and manipulating frames a lot, you can now copy and paste text right into a frame. So I'm going to copy this Wikipedia article about Tiber Island. By the way, here's my video. That's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and right click to edit and make it really big, beautiful. Okay, but I grabbed in some text, and now I can just paste it in. And you'll see it just pastes in a text area right there. This is super convenient. And the same thing holds for images too. So I'm going to grab an image. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this, this space right here. I'm going to copy it. Okay, and then if I press paste, you'll see that it'll actually just paste an image right into the frame without you needing to sort of manually update it, add it. Okay, cool. So there you have it. And by the way, for those that missed our last release, there's a new feature here in the People menu in Global Actions called Teleport Nearby Users. Lets you pick a radius, and any user in that radius, you can pick a frame name, click yes, and it'll teleport everyone to another frame entirely. Okay, gosh, I was hoping this video wouldn't be too long. There's just so many new things coming to Frame, but I've kept it under 5 minutes, and I'm going to consider that a win. There's a lot more coming, and stay tuned.